can't stress enough how much we love this. Pero for you to avoid the same mistake that my husband and I did, if we had the extra funds to be able to spend on this Bible or any book, sound book, ganyan. Try na kami ng ibang diaper bags. This one is the best for us kasi, hi friends! Welcome back to part 2 of our nursery must-haves series. In this video, we're talking about the travel essentials, toys, and cleaning products that saved us during our first year as first-time parents. I waited 1 year to be able to film this video. So if you're also a soon-to-be or first-time parent, this one is very practical. Don't forget, the full newborn checklist is still free in the description down below for you to download it and bring it with you pag magsha-shopping kayo ng mga inyong newborn must-haves. Check it out in the description down below for you to be able to easily download it. So let's start with the travel essentials. My most favorite is yung diaper bag from Bash. Actually, hindi siya diaper bag, pero it's a travel bag. Pwede siya pang work or travel. Pero ginawa lang namin siyang diaper bag. Kasi nag-try na kami ng ibang diaper bags. This one is the best for us kasi okay siya sa shoulder. Hindi siya masakit sa shoulder. Tapos, it's puffy enough na comfortable din siya pag binubuhat. And then, it's also so stylish and chic. And yun nga, very comfortable to wear. And bagay din siya sa kahit anong outfit because of its neutral colors. And most of all, it has a lot of compartments. We actually got 2 Bash bags para kung lalabhan, meron pa ring pamalit. So, this one is really the best for us. Let's move on naman sa stroller and car seat in one. For this one, it depends on your need as a parent and for your baby. Kami naman ng husband ko, at first, gusto talaga kasi namin yung stroller and car seat in one para hindi bulky, hindi madaming gamit sa bahay, and pwedeng gamitin sa yung car seat for baby. So we got this Akiva na 2-in-1 stroller. We placed it in our registry and we got it as a gift. Pero what we did not like lang about this stroller and car seat in one ni Akiva is that hindi siya reversible handle. Tapos, hindi ganun kaluwag for baby to sit on. Eh, yung baby namin medyo matangkad siya. So, as she grew ng almost 1-year-old, medyo hindi na siya comfy dun sa seat niya. And then, yung compartment na panglagay ng mga gamit sa ilalim, hindi siya ganun kalaki. Sakto lang siya. So with that, bumili na naman kami ng another stroller, which we chose this giant carrier because it has reversible handle, tapos yung gulong niya sa ilalim mas malaki. So parang mas kaya siya sa matatagtag na mga place. Kami kasi, we love to go outdoor sa mga nature, garden, ganyan. And may mga places lang talaga na matatagtag or rocky. So, isipin nyo rin yon if that's something that you'll consider when you go out with your stroller and your baby. We wanted to save cost when it comes to the stroller. Pero for you to avoid the same mistake that my husband and I did dito sa stroller, isipin nyo ulit if you need reversible handle, if importante ba sa inyo na mas malaki at pang matagtag yung gulong ng stroller, and kung kailangan nyo ba ng malaking lagayan sa ilalim panglagay ng mga things, and kung lagi ba kayo nagta-travel or hindi, and if factor ba sa inyo na dapat nadadala nyo siya sa eroplano. So yun. Now let's move on naman sa stroller cloth cover. I chose something na alam kong breathable kasi syempre mainit din yung climate dito sa atin sa Philippines and pawisin din yung baby namin. So I chose this stroller cover from Swadis. Kahit medyo on the pricier side siya, masasabi ko na comfortable talaga si baby dito. And it's also reversible. So you have 2 designs to choose from kapag nilalabahan siya. Then we got another one na stroller cover. Pero it's I think around 100 to 200 pesos lang to from Shopee. Okay naman siya, pero ayun nga lang, medyo mainit siya sa katawan ni baby. But I'll also put the link down below for you to check that out. Next naman, for baby carrier, we chose this type of baby carrier because ito yung gamit ng pinsan namin and ng other parents na kakilala namin. Itong brand na to, it's the Beber na baby carrier. I can say na sa medyo pricier side to, pero it's really worth it for us kasi comfy siya sa waist, tapos comfy din siya dito sa shoulders, and baby is also comfortable too. What's good about this baby carrier, pwede rin siyang mahugas. Complete siya na may parang bib sa labas para kung naglalaway si baby. I think it's really nice for you to have a baby carrier if you're a stay-at-home parent na madaming gagawin sa bahay. Tapos, you just need more hands. Na other than the bouncer that I mentioned sa part 1, gusto mo nakasama mo si baby. So, pwede rin yun, buhat-buhat mo siya with the baby carrier. Lalo na if you're moving up and down your house. Or kung, aalis kayo ng bahay, shopping kayo, mag-grocery, this one is really, really helpful. So, while I'm at it, if you're gonna get a baby carrier, I suggest talaga na for you to get a baby carrier mask as well. This one is highly underrated, and for us, nakakuha kami ng judgy eyes, as in na-judge kami for doing this to our baby na may parang face mask pa si baby. It's not really entirely a face mask. It's just something na mask that's covering baby dun sa carrier. Kasi naisip namin na with everything that's been going on, yung nag-pandemic, yung mga sakit, I mean, hindi natin maiiwas yun. Pero tayong adults, kaya natin mag-face mask. Meron tayong face mask. Tapos yung baby natin, hindi natin ipapa-face mask. Parang for me as a parent, it just doesn't sit right with me. So, I'm really glad that I found this online. It's from Poland, the baby carrier mask. Madami daw na mga pollen and other, dust and stuff na maiiwas dito. And somehow, yun na nga, para siyang face mask. So, this has been really helpful for us. Actually, hindi lang sa first few months ni baby. Kahit ngayon, 1-year-old plus na siya, pag sobrang crowded yung place, lagi namin siyang dala just in case. And still, it's really helpful. Okay pa naman siya. And it's also washable. That's what's good about that. Next naman, ang portable air humidifier. So this one, backstory lang. I've been using something like this ever since nung dalaga ako. Hindi pa ako kasal. Pero naiwan ko siya sa dating house. So ayan, when we had our baby and we had to go overnight sa hotel, I just thought of buying this one. It's very cheap. It's just from Shopee. Parang wala pa siyang 100 pesos. And we've been using this for more than a year now. Sobrang okay siya. Since ayun nga, merong air humidifier and purifier sa bahay. Naisip namin when traveling, kahit man lang humidifier, madala namin. Okay na siya. And to pair with that, favorite ko rin yung essential oil ng Aura Cassia. That's the brand. It's from iHerb. Then you also need foldable changing mat para pa nagta-travel. It's just a smaller version of the changing mat that I recommended earlier. This foldable one is from Shopee. It's similar to Enfant pero hindi yun yung brand. It's parang a brand from China. Pero I checked the materials, okay naman siya. Para siyang yung sa Enfant. And it's just half the price of Enfant 1, if I'm not mistaken. Parang nasa 200 plus pesos. Tapos, when going out, importante rin na may baby earmuffs. So, binili namin to months ago. Honestly, hindi pa namin to gagamit for baby. Pero, it's, important to just have this pag may place na sobrang ingay, biglaan na lang may live concert siguro sa mall or something, na para hindi mabingi si baby and ma-protect yung ears niya. And I also see other friends na parents na using this and okay naman siya for their babies. For the travel cot naman, ayan, na-discuss na natin to earlier sa part 1. So, let's skip that part. Ito naman, kailangan mo rin ng portable bathtub. This one, ginamit lang namin siya when baby turned 1. And we got this as a gift as well when baby turned 1. It's the Bayaba foldable bathtub. What I super love about this is that kasya siya sa maleta. Flat lang siya pag finold mo. Tapos, meron siyang parang hook na pwede mo siyang isabit sa CR, pag pinapadry, or kahit saan man. Parang siya lang yung nakikita kong ganyan online so far. So, kahit nasa pricier side itong Bayaba, for me, it's just so worth it. Next, I can't stress enough how important for you to have a portable fan for your baby. We got this Jisoo Life na portable fan for baby stroller. It's been so useful to us. Pero since medyo malikot na si baby, she's been reaching for that the portable fan. So ginagamit na lang namin is yung Jisoo Life namin ng asawa ko. Amin to nung wala pa kaming baby. We've been using this for travel. And it's been with us for, I can say, around 2 years or more. So these Jisoo Life portable fans are really worth the investment. Pero I suggest na mag-wait din kayo ng sale. Parang kami, lalagay lang namin siya sa cart tapos we're gonna wait for, let's say, 5/5, 6/6, 11/11, yung mga ganun ng mga dates na sale. Kasi mas madaming vouchers and mas malaki yung deal. Next naman is yung foldable basin. Which I also suggested that sa ating part 1. Kung meron na kayo nabili na foldable basin for the bath and grooming, pwede nyo rin dalhin yan when you travel para pag pinapaliguan si baby or kapag nagwa-wash kayo ng bottles sa hotel or sa labas, maganda rin na may ganun. You can get around 1 to 2. Next naman ay ang car shade cover. Pag nasa car seat kasi si baby, mainit minsan. So, kailangan talaga ng car shade cover para hindi siya mainitan. For the car seat naman, if you're a parent who wants a separate car seat, you can also check that. So for us, na-bless kami with a car seat. The brand that was given to us was Poled. It's the all-age 360 car seat. And what's good about this is that it can be used from newborn up to 12 years old ang anak ninyo. So it's really nice. Medyo mahal siya. Pero if you check then the reviews of it sa YouTube, sa Shopee, it's really good. Not bad siya. And it's an investment if you will really use that, diba? For the next 12 years or sa second baby niyo. But there's also a lot of car seats there. Pero for us nga, nagamit namin yung Akiva na 2-in-1 sa stroller car seat, yung car seat for the first 6 to 7 months. Since si baby medyo mabilis tumangkat, ayan, sakto lang din na na-bless kami with this another car seat. Next naman ay water wipes. You need water wipes para just in case na kailangan punasan yung mouth ni baby or may natapon sa kanya, kailangan punasan ng water wipes kung wala kayong cloth, ganyan. So the water wipes that I've been trusting for quite some time now is yung brand from Pigeon. Yun yung napapansin ko na hindi na-allergy si baby sa wipes. There's another wipes then that I like. It's called the Organic Baby Wipes. So I'll also put the links down below for the wipes that I recommend. Meron din ibang wipes na ma-recommend ko na okay naman for baby but medyo nalilimutan ko yung brand ngayon. I'll just put all the links down below for you to check them out as well. Next naman, ang travel-friendly toys. For us, it's very important for you to bring at least 3 to 4 na travel toys when going out. Let's say, my Bible or any book, sound book, ganyan. Or soft book, depende sa age ng baby nyo. Tapos, pwede rin yung parang gumagalaw-galaw na madaming sounds na pwedeng isabit sa stroller, pwede rin isabit sa car. Pwede rin mga small ring stacks, anything small na pwede mong ilagay sa ziplock. That's already okay for the travel toys. Since we're talking about travel toys, let's go naman sa next category, which is yung toys. First is yung play gym. I can't stress enough how much we love this Love Every Play Gym. Una, talagang nag-iisip kami kung talaga bang worth it ito kasi medyo mahal din siya. And we've been watching a lot of video reviews about it, my husband and I, yung Love Every. And what's good about it is it's backed up by studies talagang tinry siya sa ibang babies. Tapos nakikita ko na madami talagang parents na natuwa dito sa Love Every Play Gym. So, then we decided at second month ni baby na mag-invest na nito for her. Tsaka magagamit rin naman to in the future pa. Sabi sa Play Gym na it can be used until the first 1 year of baby's life. Pero for us, honestly, parang nag-graduate si baby dito ng around 9 to 10 months kasi sobrang naging malikot na siya. Parang alam na niya lahat ng gagawin dun sa play gym. Tapos, umaakyat na siya sa play gym na may possibility na mahulog. So, careful lang din pag nakakatayo na and nakaka-crawl na yung baby nyo with this. Pero this play gym is so nice. Pwede din siya maging tent. And pwede siya pang tummy time. Ang dami niyang kasama. Meron pa siyang mga teeter. Meron siyang parang mga sounds, crinkles, ganyan. I cannot say na hindi okay yung ibang play gym because I haven't tried them. Pero for us, we wanted to give the best that we can for our baby. Kaya, yan, we chose this Love Every Play Gym. Next naman ay ang black and white visual cards. I read kasi na if you want to be a Montessori style na parenting sa child mo, importante yung mga wooden toys, mga black and white toys, ganyan. So yung black and white visual cards was very helpful for baby in the first few months of her life. Ito actually yung pinakaunang laruan ni baby na pinapakita lang namin yung card sa kanya, titingin-tingin lang siya. Kasi technically, ang mga newborn, they can only see black and white in the first few weeks of their life. And then, okay then for you to already get high contrast wooden toys. What I mean by this is yung mga toys na may color red. Kasi ito yung third color daw na nakikita ng mga baby from the newborn stage. Depende parang nasa 2nd to 3rd month, if I'm not mistaken, na makikita yung kulay red. So we got this na parang bola na nahuhulog. Tapos meron din kaming binili na parang puzzle toy na may knob na parang shapes na red toys. Ayan. This has been helpful for baby at month 4. She's been starting to play with it. Pero until this day na more than 1-year-old na siya, ilang months na siya, useful pa rin talaga tong high contrast toys sa kanya. For the soft book naman and the high contrast books, I would recommend again the brand We Gallery. You can also find this online sa Shopee. Meron din siya sa Fully Book mismo. Pero ako, I prefer Shopee or online platforms like TikTok, Lazada kasi nga mas nakakatipid minsan. Ayun. Tsaka mas mabilis makuha. You don't have to go to the mall to be able to just buy this, di ba? Next naman, ang baby mirror. Ito, nabili lang namin ito from Shopee. Tapos, this one naman, yung giraffe na may house. Sobrang siyang favorite ni baby. Tuwang-tuwa siya every time nakikita niya to. Actually, until this day, ginagamit pa rin niya itong baby mirror toy. So, it's so worth it as well. And sobrang mura lang. Last but not the least, for the toys, get a teeter. Pero hindi naman kailangan immediately. For us, isa lang yung teeter na binili namin. So, what we got is itong monkey na design. We only got one kasi yung Love Every, meron na rin kasi siyang teeter na pwedeng matanggal. So, for the teeter, hindi kasi din sure kung ano yung klaseng teeter na magugustuhan ng baby. So, you'll have to buy that not right away. That's for me lang. Kasi, yun nga, magagamit nyo lang to panititing na ang baby nyo. Last but not the least, let us now move on sa ating last category of our part 2, which is itong cleaning products. First ay ang laundry detergent or soap. For us, dalawa lang yung brand na tinatrust namin for laundry detergent and soap. So, for the soap is yung Perla, because it's made of coconut, pure coconut. And we've been using this for a long time now. So, ito pa rin yung ginagamit din namin for baby. But we're using the white one for baby. And for the liquid laundry detergent naman na for baby, sa washing machine is yung Cycles na brand. Nakatry na rin ako ng ibang liquid laundry detergent brand for baby's clothes. Yet, hindi talaga namin nagustuhan siya. Kasi yung nilalagay ko siya doon sa lagayan ng sabon, doon sa washing machine. Meron brand na cheaper. Mga dalawang brands yon. Cheaper siya, pero for baby din. Nagsa-stock siya kasi nagiging parang gel-like siya. So, sobrang hindi namin nagustuhan yung texture ng liquid detergent. So, bumalik ulit kami sa Cycles kahit medyo mas on the pricier side siya. And it also is pediatrician approved and good for sensitive skin. Even though hindi naman sensitive yung skin ng baby namin, we just wanted to make sure talaga na safe yung product na igagamit namin sa mga clothes din ni baby. So, yan. You also need laundry mesh bags if you're going to do washing machine sa ibang clothes ni baby. So, for us, we just got this off from Shopee. It's a set of 3 if I'm not mistaken. But for me, you would need around 3 to 5 pieces. Depende kung ano yung mga ilalagay nyo, gano'ng kadami rin. For us kasi, gusto namin nakahiwalay dahil, kunyari, yung sleep sack ni baby sa isang mesh bag lang. Tapos yung pajama ni baby sa isang mesh bag lang din. Para nakakategorize siya, tsaka bi-color din. Next naman for baby bottle cleaner. Since I mentioned earlier na pwede mong ibili as a set yung bottle cleaner and laundry detergent ng Cycles and Cradle. We have been using Cradle as well for quite some time now. Pero I also am shifting to another brand lately. I am trying yung Tiny Buds na brand. Hindi ko pa masabi if I really like it. So far, so good. It's just a cheaper alternative na safe din for baby. Pero for now, I would highly recommend Cradle talaga kasi nga nakasanayan na namin siya. For the sterilizer and dryer, we have been blessed with this Eco Mom na sterilizer and dryer. Actually, medyo recent lang, pero if we had the extra funds to be able to spend on this, we would really get this. Talagang pinangarap ko lang siya dati na mabili. Sobrang mahal kasi. And this has been really worth it for us. It saves us so much time din na i-sterilize and dry yung mga bottles ni baby. Pero a cheaper alternative to this is the Cocob sterilizer and dryer. We got this as a gift, so we have been using this since baby was a newborn until she turned around 1-year-old plus. Since lately lang nga namin nakuha tong Echo Mom, Cocob talaga yung gamit namin na sterilizer and dryer. What's good about this is that meron siyang mga modes kung gusto mo lang mag-dry, mag-sterilize lang. And also, maganda rin na meron siyang minutes na pwedeng mong i-customize kung ilang minutes mo siya gustong i-sterilize and dry. Siguro yung downside lang dito versus dun sa Echo Mom, wala siyang pang UV. Tapos, kailangan mong lagyan ng tubig each time pag nagsa-sterilize itong Cocob, yung mga gantong style na sterilizer. But for this one naman, itong Echo Mom, wala nang kailangan na tubig na ilalagay. Tapos, yun, may fan siya sa loob that it dries on its own as well. Para naman sa bottle and nipple brush, we have been using this. We got this from Shopee. If I'm not mistaken, parang Dr. Isla ata yung brand. I will also put the link here. And we've been using this for months now. Pwede mo yan siya i-sterilize para malinis siya. And, ayan, ang maganda dito, meron siyang suction, pwede siyang itayo, tapos 2-in-1 pa siya na bottle and nipple brush. Next naman, for the baby safe wet wipes, I already mentioned that earlier sa mga recommended ko na wet wipes, so let's skip that one. Hi friends, nalobat ang aking camera, so let's move here. Pero nasa last one na rin tayo, which is the baby toy and surface cleaner. I also trust the brand from Cycles. Yun yung talagang ginagamit namin ng husband ko ever since for baby's toys. And also when we go out na rin, pag nag-overnight kami, yun yung ginagamit namin na spray all around the hotel room para na safe yung amoy tsaka safe din for baby to touch yung mga gamit dun sa hotel. So, yun. We always buy the buy one, take one na set na Cycles. Tapos, lalagyan na lang namin siya ng water. Then, okay na yung spray na yun. There are days na everything just feels chaotic with the packing, cleaning, and even thinking kung kulang ba yung dinala ko. There are days talaga na, syempre, nagkakamali tayo na nagkukulang din yung dala talaga natin whenever we travel. But give yourself grace and always trust that you'll be a better parent each day. Aim for that. And for me, what works best for me and my husband to be a better parent each day is to stay grounded in God's Word, to spend time in God and read the Bible. Not only reading the Bible na own devotion lang ha, pati na rin yung with the baby para masanay rin si baby na to have God at the center of her life or their life. I'm also learning as a parent na in the small everyday things, God is with us along the way, so you don't have to worry. So the Lord always reminds me to just breathe, trust, and just enjoy the process of our baby growing up. Now, me telling this to you is a good reminder as well, not only for you, but also for me as a parent. So again, the newborn checklist is free. Dyan sa description down below. Just feel free to download it and bring it with you when you are going to go shopping for your baby's items. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this part 2, and I hope that you'll stay subscribed to be updated para naman sa last part 3 of this series. If you found value in this video, I will highly appreciate it if you like it, comment down below, and share this video na rin for you to be able to help someone today. Maraming salamat ulit for taking time to watch this video. This has been Danielle, and I'll see you for part 3.